Unlock powerful, automated messaging by seamlessly connecting Twilio phone numbers with a simple notification service. Your first step is to acquire an active Twilio phone number, specifically one enabled for both sending and receiving SMS. Navigate to the Twilio console, choose a number that fits your regional requirements, and confirm its SMS capabilities. This number will serve as the dedicated entry point for all your incoming text message interactions. Next, configure your newly acquired Twilio phone number to automatically notify an AWS service when an incoming message arrives within your Twilio phone number settings. Locate the messaging section and set up a webhook URL. This URL will point to an endpoint within your AWS infrastructure, typically an API gateway endpoint that triggers an Lambda function to process the message. Simultaneously, within your AWS console, create a new simple notification service topic. Give this topic a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose. This SNS topic will act as the central distribution point for your notifications, allowing you to reliably fan out messages to various subscribers. The crucial bridge between Twilio and SNS is an Lambda function. This serverless function will be invoked by the Twilio webhook, receiving the details of the incoming text message inside your Lambda function. You'll define the logic to extract relevant information and then publish it as a message to your newly created SNS topic. For this integration to work, ensure your AWS Lambda function possesses the necessary permissions to publish messages to your SNS topic. Access the Lambda console, review the function's execution role, and add a policy that grants this publish action specifically to your SNS topic. This security measure is vital for successful message delivery. Finally, set up the subscribers for your SNS topic. You can add multiple endpoints such as SMS numbers, email addresses, or even other services like SQS or Lambda functions. Once your Lambda function publishes a message to this topic, SNS will automatically fan out that notification to all configured subscribers, completing the powerful flow initiated by your Twilio phone number. By integrating Twilio's interactive phone numbers with AWS SNS, you establish a robust and scalable architecture capable of managing incoming communications and broadcasting essential notifications, truly empowering your entire messaging infrastructure.